Microsoft Power BI is a powerful business intelligence tool for analyzing data and creating interactive reports and dashboards. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install it on your Windows 11 PC. So the first thing you want to do is open up your browser. Type Power BI Desktop into search bar and press enter. From search results, look for result coming from Microsoft.com and click on it. This will take you to the official Microsoft Power BI download page. Once you're here, you'll need to select your preferred language first and then click on Download button. Download will begin automatically. If it doesn't, click this link to force the download. Depending on your internet speed, this process may take a while. Just wait until it's complete. When download is done, navigate to your Downloads folder and simply double-click on Install a file to launch installation setup. On this screen of setup, select your language and then click Next. When Welcome screen appears, just click on Next to continue. Read License Agreement, accept the terms, and then click on Next. The default installation location is perfectly fine, so just click on Next. If you'd like a desktop shortcut after the installation, leave this box checked, then click Install. The installation will now begin, and this may take a while, so just wait until the process is complete. When the installation is finished, if you want to launch Power BI Desktop right away, leave this box checked, then click on Finish. So you have now successfully downloaded and installed Microsoft Power BI Desktop on your Windows 11 PC. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.